What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. If you are a new subscriber, my name is Daria. Hope you stay a while. In today's video, I will be filming a deep clean with me video. As you can see by the title, my room is a mess. And if any of you guys are like me, I cannot be productive in a messy space or environment. So I definitely think it is about time that we clean this room. And I just wanted to show you guys, maybe it can motivate some of you guys to clean your messy space and be productive. So I'm going to show you guys a little before and after of my room, and as I'm cleaning, maybe you guys can clean along. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get into the video. By now, you've probably seen the before of this terribly messy room. I am pretty excited to get this room clean, and I am just tired of looking at it like this. So if you guys are wondering, if you're wondering why I have a sink in my bedroom, I do live in like a college apartment. It's a college apartment, but anybody can live here. I'm not in college anymore. I did graduate, but anyone can live in these apartments, and that's why they kind of have sinks. They call this a vanity, so that's why I have a sink in my room. If you're wondering why all this stuff is in my sink, I don't really use the sink. I use the bathroom sink that we have in the bathroom, so I don't know. I just don't really use it like that. So I'm gonna just clean up all this stuff. Also, I do think I need to do a little bit of laundry. So yeah, let's start with the laundry. I like to work section by section. So after we do the laundry, we'll probably work maybe on this section first, and then we will make our way around the room until it is clean. Also, do you guys like my socks? I know they don't match, but they're fuzzy and they're comfortable and I like them. So yeah, let's get into cleaning this disastrous mess of a room. You guys, I'm an idiot. Oh, look at all this stuff. This bottle was open in the sink and it spilled out, as you can see. So, gotta clean that up. I don't know what I was doing when that happened, but yeah, let's clean it up.
Lemonade, ooh, tastes so sweet. 3 poppies, making one for me. Them ocean sounds, ooh, sip slowly. Grains of glass riding on my feet. Do you love me, do you not? Do you think about me every time? 'Cause you've been running my mind all day. As I ride through the ocean, sleep on my face, play Teddy Pendergrass, listen to the waves. You keep coming right back, and I think you could be my ray of sunshine. You could bring the darkness to light. I just wanna feel love, baby, say it ain't so. Everything that I got just left my control. Oh, my lemonade. Ooh-wee, sticky, icky, sweet.
My love language is your time and attention. Won't you give some of it to me? I've been lonely lately. I've been feeling neglected, and I want you to show me. Can we get back on the same page tonight? Can we stay? And why don't you talk to me? Let's start a conversation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. Talk to me. We don't need a translation. When you spend your time with me, you're speaking my love language. My love language is your love and affection. Won't you give some of it to me? Yeah.
Oh guys, I am beyond hot right now. Oh my gosh, my hair is like sweating out. I hope it doesn't get too frizzy, but if it is, you know why, because I'm hot. I had to turn the air on because it was so hot. But yeah, I am still cleaning up. I didn't really go in the order of the way that I said I was going to go at the beginning of the video, but I am still going in sections based on the room. So yeah, now we're moving on to this section of the wall right here. So if you guys are enjoying the video, thumbs up, subscribe. I'm so hungry. I really want to eat right now, but I need to finish cleaning up and then I will take a break and eat.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have.
So sad, my nail just popped off while I was cleaning up. That's unfortunate. Oh well.
Caught the June blues, yeah. I wanna drown myself inside the juice, yeah. You know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil's speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young, why you gotta go? I just wanna know now, true numb. Crying, getting old. Hope you freed your soul,
Guys, it is so hot. I am done with the room. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe to the channel for future videos. I will see you guys in next week's video. Peace.